Hello, I'm Dennis Sutter and I'm a co-founder of Zero. We are a spin-off company of the University of Zurich, and we produce sample holders for transmission electron microscopy that you can see in the background. And so for these electron microscopes, we produce sample holders that cool down the scientific samples to very low temperatures, and this is achieved through liquid helium. And we bring the liquid helium through a metallic tube or a transfer tube from the vessel into the sample holders that is plugged into the microscope. The big problem with this setup is that this tube transmits vibration, mechanical vibrations from the viewer into the microscope, and our customers, they want to achieve atomic resolution. So when you have mechanical vibrations, they are not really compatible with atomic resolution, and the goal of this project is to build a proof of concept of building a vibration damping element. And this is done by first measuring the vibration with an acceleratometer, and then using piezo elements or actively actuated piezo elements that are counteracting those vibrations, similar to the noise-canceling headphones in nowadays headphones. And we're looking specifically for someone that has expertise in piezoelectronics and how to measure vibrations effectively.